Do you love practicing yoga, but then when you go to a yoga studio or you click on YouTube, the teacher suddenly does something like this and you're like, no, that's not for me? Well, you're not the only one. There are thousands of people that are just like, no, I can never practice yoga. That's not for me because you need to be this and that and that. I have something for you. We have this amazing yoga deck where you can actually pick and choose the asanas that work for you. So you can leave out the crazy ones or add the crazy ones, you know, depending on who you are, because your yoga practice should be tailored to you and not to anyone else, right? So if you want to learn more about this amazing new tool, then click on the link below and order your decks today.
Which deck do we have?
All right, so for the PlayPauseBe decks, we have 3 amazing decks. So the first one is the classic Vinyasa Hatha deck, which is maybe the ones that you most associate with yoga. This has 82 different asanas, and it has a reference system between the cards. So if you don't know anything about sequencing, which can be, you know, a bit intimidating in the beginning, I know, we've all been there, this is the perfect one for you. So you can build your sequence from scratch, not knowing anything. Just look at the cards and you'll see references for cards that you are suggested to add before or after. And then as you go along, you will learn and you will experience, and suddenly you're building sequences like a pro, okay? Then we have the expansion deck, and this is especially designed for those of you that want to build longer sequences. So it has replicas of the ones that you usually use more than once, right? So for your downward dog, for instance. And for your vinyasa, we have a special card so you can add your vinyasa. We have a repeat card if you want to repeat a standing series, for instance, or similar. But then we have some amazing new ones that we added to this deck, and they are the intention cards, which comes with a beautiful illustration on the one side and the intention on the other side. Okay, so this is also an amazing one. Then we just recently added the yin deck, which takes on a whole new style of yoga, the yin type yoga. And this one has, so for this one we have the benefits right on the background, so you can sequence according to benefits, while the yin style yoga is connected to the meridians, which are acupunctural places around our body, said very briefly and easily. And these you can find on the back of the card. So you can actually structure your sequence according to meridians, which makes more sense if you do a yin practice. Okay? So to learn more about these amazing decks and these amazing tools and do your sequence that's fit for you and what you need, click on the link below and discover our decks today and get one for you and maybe for your friend as well.